How to use Zapier account. So here is a quick guide for beginners on how to use Zapier account. First off, we are going to go to zapier.com. So basically, this is how our landing page for Zapier looks like. So if you want to sign up, you can actually click on the upper right hand corner and click on the sign up button. And you could also start by clicking on the start with free email. So let's go over the landing page. So in this section, you can actually see the reasons why you need to choose Zapier. Above, there are actually menu bars that you can hover around. So let's take a look at how much Zapier costs. So there is actually a free account. So this is actually for individuals that would like or need the basic automation. Here we also have the starter, which costs $19.99. The professional, which costs $49. Team, which has $399 US, and the company, which costs $799. Okay, so you could also start with a free trial for the paid accounts actually, but that would take only for 14 days or so. So here you can see below the features of each plan. So you just need to hover around those. Now let's get started. In order for you to create an account, click on the sign up button here in the upper right hand corner. And once you click on the sign up button, basically you will be routed to the sign up page. Here you can actually sign up with Google, Facebook, or with Microsoft. Alright. You could also input here in the fields your work email, your first name, and your last name to get started for free. Now, once you're done signing up, you will basically be routed to your Zapier dashboard. So this is how our Zapier dashboard looks like. So in here, you have a recommended for you section where you can see like automatic automations and programs that you would like to have. So they also have a learning center. You could also hire an expert and ask the community for help with your Zapier account. So here in the left hand side, you can actually see a panel, and let's get to explore more on Zapier. So here you could actually seamlessly transfer all of your data from one application to another. You could also find pre-made workflows to help you save time and resources, and you could build something yourself by connecting all your apps together through Zapier application. So you could save a lot of time when you purchase or when you start using your Zapier application. All right, so here, if we scroll down more, you can actually see the different applications that you could actually get started with. So with Zapier, they have 5,000 applications and more that you can link. But for some, there are premium accounts, so that means to say you need to pay for it before you get to use that specific application. Alright, so now let's go back to our Zapier dashboard. So you just need to click on Zapier here in the upper left hand corner in order for you to get back to your dashboard. So here in the dashboard section, you can actually make a SAP. So first you can connect the first app here. So say for example, Google Calendar or Google Drive. And then after which you just need to input the second application that you would want to add. So say for example, Asana. So now, next thing is that what you want to happen on your Google Drive. So say for example, when you add a new file, you would be able to create a project from the template in Asana and click on the try it button afterwards. So another way of you creating a Zap is to simply go to the upper left hand corner here in the panel and click on create Zap. So in this section, you can actually start with renaming your Zap. You just need to tap on the pencil icon in order for you to rename your Zap. And afterwards, you can actually start right here. So let's start off with a trigger. So a trigger is an event that starts with your Zap. So a while ago, as what we can see, as what we saw, we had Google Drive as our trigger. So say for example, we have Google Docs as our trigger this time. Now you just need to select an event. So say for example, when you have created a new document. Now next thing is that you need to sign in to your Google document account in order for you to connect it with Zapier. Okay. Next is the action section. So an action is an event a Zap performs. And right here, you can actually have like Google Drive, for instance. And then if you have a document, you can move the file. And then you just need to sign in to your Google Drive afterwards and click on add to continue. So here in the right hand corner, you can actually see a panel. So first you have the status panel. So basically it shows the status of your Zaps. Next is the outline. So how you have outlined your Zaps. Next here is our settings. So you could also rename your Zap in this section. And you can place this onto a folder where you would like to add. Now for the advanced settings, you need to upgrade your plan for that one. So here you could also see your versions if you had made changes onto your Zap. Basically, you'll see that in this section. But you need to upgrade your plan. So here with our Zap history, you can actually see the history of the previous Zaps that you have. Next is this section right here. You can actually see your Zap overview. And you could also edit the description, the time zone, and you could also delete it right here. So next one is that we have our help section. So you could ask in the Zapier community or check out the help center if you have any troubles with your current Zap. So once everything's good, click on fix to publish. So basically this is grayed out since we have not linked our Google Docs account and Google Drive account. But if you do link it, then you can click on fix to publish afterwards. Okay, going back to our Zapier account. So right here, basically this would really help you save time, and it actually helps freelancers and even business owners to integrate their applications to one. So basically that's about it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.